Today we're going to be headed down to pick up a load. I think you guys are going to like it. It's going to be pretty cool. So I got my pre-trip all done, and we're ready. Going to hit the road, get down there and get this load picked up. Enjoy the ride. Hey guys, just got here. Usually for a load, we like to wait until we get on site and get a tape and put it across it to make sure we know the dimensions before we pull a permit. However, this one required the permit to be pulled and have it in hand before we can check in. So there's our permit. This load, I'm not gonna be able to show you guys loading it because I am not allowed to take any pictures or film while I'm loading up. So I will see you guys after I leave. I'll get pulled off and I'll show you what we picked up. So I will see you then. All right, guys, we are all loaded up and I can show you what I'm picking up now. It is a M109 Paladin Howitzer. So how cool is that? So they don't let you take any pictures or any video on the base while you're loading it. And now I got it loaded up so I can show you guys what I'm hauling. So the specs they gave me were 56,000 pounds and 11 feet 8 inches wide, which I think those little boxes sticking out on the side is the reason it's a little wide. Across the widest part of the chassis there is 11, but I think because of those boxes it actually makes it a little wider. So not tall, but we are riding right around, if their specs are right, 102,000 pounds. So we got her all flagged up, banners going, traffic here. So we're going to take this and we're going to haul it up to Catskill by our lot where we park. We'll get it scaled. There's the truck. Looks good with that big thing sitting on it. So we'll get it scaled and see what we actually weigh. And that way we can pull the rest of our permits, and then Monday we'll take it down to Alabama. guys, we're here at the cat scale. Now we're gonna weigh this thing, see what we're actually at, so we know what to pull our permits for. If you guys don't use this Weigh My Truck app by Cat, it is awesome. You can just pull on the scale, hit a couple buttons, and it'll send your information in, and then it brings your weight up right on the phone. Alright, so you can see we're at 13,720 on the steer, 43,760 on our drive axle, 51,880. So we're at a gross of 109,360. So that means instead of this thing being 56,000 pounds, we're actually more like 63,000 pounds. So that's way off. I don't know how these guys can do that, and then they expect you to be perfect when you pull your permit. But we'll have to probably have to amend the Pennsylvania permit. Maybe we can get the broker to pay for that, and then we'll pull the rest of our permits heavy. I think we're good on weights though. Virginia usually puts you at 45, if I'm not mistaken, for drive axle, so we're still under that. It might be 44, but even so, I think we're good, and we can pull permits and run this all the way down that way. So now we'll take it back over to the lot and park it, and that will be it. Getting some snow today, so I want to get this parked before it really starts laying. If you're oversized and there's snow on the ground, you're not supposed to run, so that would put an end to our day. So thankfully we only have about, I don't know, half a mile to go up to where we park, and then you know, we don't have to worry about the snow again until Monday, so hopefully it'll be gone by then. Alright guys, we are back at the lot. So as you can see, it's snowing. Hopefully it won't dump too much on us and still be able to run on Monday. But Monday morning, we will we'll get up and grab the truck and head down to Alabama, get this thing delivered. So until then, this is Cliff with Hamilton Transportation, and I'll see you in the next video.